Okay, we are going to talk about statistics. And I don't mean mathematical statistics, although you can find one of those if you'd like. I don't know if statistics is the proper word for this. We're maybe looking for something that has to do with like Guinness Book of World Records stuff and things like that. I want you to find something that goes with your concentration. All right. So some kind of phrase, it'd be cool if it had mathematical terms in it, but it doesn't have to. You're going to use the statistic, I can't say that word, and you're going to illustrate it in any medium you want. I don't care. All right. You're going to use the illustration board that has been given to you so that you can handle paint. If you want to use oil pastels, it would work on there as well. You could do a watercolor painting. If that's the case, then you need to use watercolor paper. I don't think I sent you watercolors because we do more of that second semester, but it is available. You can do acrylic painting if you want. You can find a box to paint on. It is completely up to you. But you will have to illustrate the statistic and tell me what the statistic is. You have approximately 3 weeks to get this done. I'm going to show you some examples. Okay, here's the statistic I found. The video gaming market is expected to be worth over 90 billion US dollars by 2020 from nearly 78.61 billion in 2018. And this came from Best the News, that was the source, and it was printed in 2018. So my son came to me one day and he's like, Mom, you always draw my brother. How come you never draw me? So I said, all you ever do is sit in your room and game. So I used that, okay? I found the statistic about gaming and I just Googled it on the internet, statistics about video gaming. And that's what I found. And so then I took a photo of Zach and he was gaming and that's what I did. And it's just a pencil drawing, okay? So that's what I did for that project. Here's one this student did in my class a long time ago. Women in their 20s are happier than men. Research blames that on their lack of luster, love lives, and low-paying first jobs. Kind of a sad one. She just painted a woman. Probably wanted to find the image and decided that's what she wanted to do. Sleeping next to someone you love is likely to encourage feelings of safety and security, which would naturally lower levels of cortisol. Couples who sleep together are also likely to have higher levels of oxytocin, the love hormone associated with bonding. Student drew a couple in bed sleeping. Here's another one. The last one I'm going to show you. The word astronaut comes from the Greek words astronautus, which means star sailor. I wouldn't call that a statistic. I call that more of a definition. Okay. He obviously wanted to do astronauts. I would have liked it better if he had found something, statistics about like how many men have been on space, how many miles they walked on a moon, anything like that would have been better for this rather than a definition. But this is the piece he came up with. And it's just a charcoal drawing. It was a white pencil charcoal piece done on a black piece of paper. Beautiful, beautiful work. Great textures and everything. Nothing to criticize about the artwork. In fact, it's better than some of the others that I showed you. It's just this statistic was weak. So that's what I'm looking for.